Hey, what's up everybody? This is Nick, and in this video we're going to talk about the world of Hyatt credit card by Chase. In the travel hacking community, the world of Hyatt is considered one of the best reward programs out there. They have over 1,000 hotels, and you're able to get a hotel starting at 5,000 points, and they cap out at 30,000 points for their most luxury hotels. So in this video, we're going to discuss all the perks that come along with the World of Hyatt credit card that's offered by Chase. Starting off right now, you're able to get 30,000 bonus points when you spend $3,000 in your first 3 months. So that could be up to 6 nights in one of their hotels, or it could be 1 night in one of their most luxury properties. Now you do also get double the points within your first 6 months. 1 point tier is 2 points for all your purchases, up to an additional 30,000 points. So within your first 6 months, you'd be able to get up to 60,000 points with this card. This card, it also does come with free nights. So every anniversary of this card, you're gonna get 1 free night on anywhere from a category 1 to category 4 hotel. Now category 4 can be up to like 15,000 points. Some of these hotels in like the Caribbean, you can even find a category 4 hotel over in Europe for a pretty nice property. Then you would get an additional hotel night if you spend $15,000 on your credit card within the year. So this card, just for using it, you'd be able to have 2 nights every single calendar year as long as you're spending $15,000 on the card, which for some people is pretty doable. This card, it also does give you elite status. So just for having this card, you will end up getting the Hyatt Discoverer status, and that's as long as you have this card. You won't actually have to meet any minimum spend. Just as long as you have this card, you'll automatically have the Discoverer status, and you'll actually get 5 qualifying nights towards the next tier upgrade, and you'll get that every single year. Then for every $5,000 you use on this card, you get an additional 2 qualifying nights. So by having this card, you're able to really fast track your way up to their top tier program, which is Globalist. Next is points. So you would receive 9 total points for every $1 that you spend at a Hyatt property. So you'd get 4 points for spending, and then additional 5 points if you're an actual Hyatt member, which I'm not exactly sure why you would have a Hyatt card if you're not a World of Hyatt member. You would also receive 2 bonus points for every $1 that you spend on restaurants, airline tickets directly from the airline, local transit, fitness clubs, and gyms. Then you would receive 1 bonus point for every $1 on all other purchases, except for that first 6 months, like we talked about earlier, you would actually receive 2 points for the first 6 months. Now this card, it does have an annual fee of $95, but I definitely would think it's worth it, knowing that you're gonna be able to get, just for having this card, 1 Hyatt night. That's gonna offset it in itself, but more than likely you're going to get at least 2 to 3 times your annual fee if you know how to use that resort night properly. And then you are able to fast track yourself in the World of Hyatt program by automatically every year starting at Discoverist. So it's just going to kind of help you along the process. You're going to be able to get more rewards, more benefits. So who do we think this card's for? Definitely somebody that's planning on doing some traveling in Hyatt. If you know that you're going to do at least 1 or 2 nights with Hyatt, and you even just want to be able to get the 1 additional night, maybe get some extra benefits by being a Discoverist, then that'd be great. So even at the bare minimum, you're going to be able to get some value from this card. But if you know that you're really going to be doing a lot of traveling within the Hyatt properties, then this card is a really great option. So let us know down in the comments below what you think of this card. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.